Today, I'm gonna discuss to you about my case study on factors that influence the decision-making of freshman students of the Institute of Computing in choosing their IT course. So, deciding what course to take in college is one of the toughest decisions a student will ever make in their student life. A lot of students go through college without knowing what career path they want. Many of the students seek counseling and a suggestion from their parents, friends, and people who have more information and has deeper understanding about a specific course. For that reason, they don't have any idea what course to take that fits their skills and interests. In addition, deciding what course to take gives a lot of pressure to the students. In this study, the problem that we are solving is what are the common factors influencing the decision of freshman students of the Institute of Computing in choosing the IT course. For my seminal article, I found two articles that is closely related to my study. The first article is Factors Affecting High School Students' Career Preference, a basis for career planning program, and the analysis of factors affecting choice of college, a case study of UNLV Hotel College students, University of Nevada, Las Vegas. The methods I use for this study is conducting a survey and interviews. Findings. So as the result of my survey, I found 5 common factors influencing course choice of freshman students of the Institute of Computing. First is the demand of the course. Second, financial status. Third, place of the future work. Fourth, availability of the job. And lastly, favorite subject. Conclusion. In this study, we found out that the top 5 common factors influencing course choice of freshman students of the Institute of Computing is the demand of course, financial status, place of future work, availability of the job, and favorite subject. We also found out that influence can really have a positive effect on the student, but sometimes it can also lead to negative effects. Influence can sometimes add pressure to the student, and this will lead to lack of focus and will result to losing of interest to the course and determination to study. So for the future freshman students of the Institute of Computing, I hope that this study will help the students in knowing the things they need to consider before deciding what course they will take, and use this as a basis or reference to give them ideas that will guide them in their course selection.